Here we have a working sump pump system. Water coming in around the perimeter of the house, going to the drain tile, then making its way to the sump pump hole in the basement. And as the hole fills up, the water gets to a certain level, the sump pump will turn on, like that. Pump the water down. And the process starts over until the rain subsides or the sump pump stops. God forbid.